Interrogatives, you have two kind of questions. Interrogative, you have two kind of questions. One is the yes no question. Yes no question means what? All the questions beginning with the helping verbs or modals. All the questions beginning with helping verbs or modals are yes no question. And then there are questions, WH questions. You know the difference between yes no question and WH question? First you note down the difference between yes no question and WH question. Now yes no questions begin with the helping verbs, the modals. Yesterday you wrote, we I wrote the helping verbs with, if the question begins with those helping verbs, then you have to use whether or if. But if the question begins with the WH word, you don't have to use whether or if. So you have to remember in which kind of questions you have to use whether if, and in which kind of questions you do not have to use whether and if. So like this is the can you help me? Can you help me? This is a yes no question.
Yes, no question.
Can you help me? Question mark. This is yes no question. What is your name? What is your name? What is this? This is a WH question. You understand? All the questions
Yes, ma'am.
with question words, they are WH questions. All questions beginning with words like, all questions beginning with question words like, all questions beginning with question words like when, where, how, what, when, where, how, what, whose, etc. So you understand the difference between the yes no question and WH question? Hello,
Yes,
can you
ma'am.
hear me? My screen is
Yes,
visible
ma'am.
to you?
Yes, ma'am. Screen is visible.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
so why am I telling you the difference between these two questions? Because in WH questions you use you don't use whether if. So you have to remember, याद रखना है कि किस तरह के क्वेश्चन में इफ वेदर लगाना है और किस तरह के क्वेश्चन में नहीं लगाना है. WH yes no question, use whether if. In WH question, don't use whether if. That is why I'm telling you the difference between the yes no questions and the WH question. Because in WH questions you don't use whether if, in yes no question you use whether if. So you remember the words, the verbs with which if the question begins you have to use whether if. याद है? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
याद है?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I'll repeat it again. So today we will deal with interrogatives. Interrogatives sentences. Aprajita, mute yourself. Aprajita, sound of the television is coming. Aprajita, mute. So interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentences. How to change? Questions beginning with, note down the words, is, am, are, was, were, मीन्स इसमें से किसी भी वर्ड से अगर क्वेश्चन शुरू होता है तो हमें वेदर इफ लगाना है. यू गेट माई पॉइंट? हेलो.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
If the question begins with any of these helping verbs, then you have to use whether if. You have more words? Has, have, had. Has, have, had. Then you have can, could. Then you have will, would, will, will. इरेजर ऊपर वाला है, ऊपर नीचे. Will, would, will, would, then shall, then should. Will, would, shall, should. और क्या है? Do, does, did. Yes, you have do, does, did, will, would, shall, should, can, could, may, might. So if the question begins with any of these words, then you have to question are called. You can write all these in notes form. So whenever you forget anything, you can take out your copy and revise. Are called yes no questions and are changed to indirect and are changed to indirect using whether or if. In whether or if you have a choice, both means the same. Whether and if both means the same, so you have to use either of the two words. Now we will take some example. Mother said, will you clean the room? Now this is a yes no question. Will you clean the room? Inverted commas, question mark, inverted commas, close. So mother said to me, will you clean the room? So how will you change this? Anyone?
Ma'am.
Mother said to me.
Mother
Mother
asked
asked me.
Mother asked to me.
I clean the room.
Chat, send your answers in chat. Send your answers in chat. It's becoming noisy. Hello. नो अनुष्का, योर आंसर इज नॉट करेक्ट. इफ नहीं लगाया है, मैंने क्या बताया था रूल में? यस, अद्वित पांडे, योर आंसर इज करेक्ट. अद्वित, योर आंसर इज करेक्ट. रिशु, you have used that. You have used that. You haven't used if. Rishu, your answer is not correct. Ananya, answer is correct. Jia Chauhan, you haven't changed will to would. Will also change to would. हमने कल can को could में बदला था. Anuj Sharan, no. Anuj Sharan, you haven't used whether if. Anuj said to me, you have used, but you have used that also in questions.
Forgot. Vulgar.
Pragya, your answer is correct. If I would clean. Nirbhay, your answer is correct. And Divyanshu, mother asked me whether would I. Would I? No, I would. Whether I would. Yes, many of you have given correct answers. So now we will see. Divyansh Kumar, yes, and many of you have given correct answers. Okay. So now one thing I want to say, many of, because it is a question, you will use the word asked. Because it is a question, you have to remember. Questions, you use the word asked. Me. Mother asked me whether Satyam Jhan, whether if Satyam also not completely correct. You have used whether, but you have used could. Will change to would. Mother asked me whether I would. Will change to would. I told you, you have to change the question word in the past tense. Yesterday we changed can to could. Whether I would clean the room. You see the pattern. Only two things you have to remember. You have to use this whether and you have to change this question word. This question word you have to change in the past. Will changes to would, can changes to could, like that. You have to change it into the past tense. May changes to might. Is changes to was aware. Okay. Father. You can send your answers in chat, because if everybody starts answering at a time, it's not audible. Father said. Said to me कर देते हैं, नहीं तो फिर is the tea ready? You can send your answers in chat. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Just the same pattern. You just have to follow the same pattern. Use whether if and use the past tense of is. Father asked me if the tea was ready. Yes, Shruti, your answer is correct. Father asked me, yeah, Advit answer is correct. Shruti answer is correct. Advit, father asked me if the tea was. Nirbhay, Ayush, Aniket, yes, many of you have given the correct answers. Okay, very good. You are following. You are able to understand the pattern. Father asked me, Nirbhay answer is correct. Yes, Bhavya also answer is correct. Bhavya also answer is correct. Akriti answer is correct. Anushka Singh, your answer is also correct. Anushka, yes. Father asked me, no, you have used both. Anushka, you have to use one word. Whether if में से कोई एक लगाना है, दोनों का मीनिंग वही होता है. ऑब्लिक दे के मैंने कल लगाया था. ऑब्लिक दिया था कि दोनों में से एक. हाँ, yes, now it's correct. Yes. So good, you have followed it. Father asked if the tea was ready. Father asked if या whether, एक दोनों में से. The tea was ready. Okay. Okay. Rina said to me, Lena said to me, can you lend me your pen? Lend means, you know, what's the meaning of lend?
उधार देना
समुत्थाना
Lend.
उधार
उधार दे
Yes, lend मतलब किसी को उधार देना. देना. Rina said to me, can you lend me your pen? Send your answers in chat. Tina asked me whether I could lend her my pen. Yes, correct answers are coming. Rina asked me to know whether you could. No, Jia, whether I could. मुझसे पूछ रही है वो. If I could lend. Yes, Nirbhay, your answer is correct. Ananya, your answer is correct. If I could lend her my pen. Nirbhay answer correct. Anuj Sharan, whether could I? Whether I could. Anuj, you have to change the word order. Whether I could. Could I nahi, I could. Ayush. Whether I could lend him. ये एक आयुष का शायद स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक है. वेदर का स्पेलिंग देखो. TWHETHER. ए नहीं है वेदर. Whether I could. Akriti Sinha answer is correct. Shreyash, whether I could. Yes, many of you have given the correct answers. Aditya, also Aditya Raj answer is correct. Rishu, if I could. Rishu also answer is correct. Rishu, if I could lend her. हर छूट गया तुम्हारा. अनिकेत, क्योंकि मी है ना बीच में. If I could lend my pen, lend her my pen. Bhavya, Reena asked me if I could lend. Yes, Bhavya, your answer is correct. Avinash, whether I could whether I could lend her my pen. Avinash, pronouns में गलती किए हो. Avinash, pronoun जो है. अच्छा ठीक है. Now we will see the answer, correct answer. You can check your answers. Reena asked me. Okay. Reena asked me whether I could lend her my pen. You have to be particular about pronouns her and my. हाँ. स्क्रीन को क्या हो गया? Okay, so now you write one question. She said to me, have you finished your homework? ये बना के चैट पे. She said to me, have you finished your homework? She said to me, have you finished your homework? she said to me, Bhavya answer is correct. Bhavya, Advait, if I had finished my home. Have you, Advait also correct, but why you have used with?
Ma'am,
Ananya,
mistyping.
ठीक है. He asked me if I had finished my homework. Yes, Ananya answer is correct. Pragya also answer is correct. Nirbhay answer is correct. Nishu, Nayan, Akriti, Sinha, if I, yes, Akriti also answer is correct. Akriti, Anuj Sharan answer correct. Aditya Raj, if I had, Aditya Raj also answer correct. Aditya Raj also answer correct. Yes, very good. Many of you are giving correct answers. Yes, very good. Ayush, if I had, Ayush Kumar also answer correct. Yes. Okay. So she asked me, or on the Dhruv Pandey, if I, yes, Dhruv answer is correct. Harsh Raj, have है तो can क्यों यूज कर दिए? क्वेश्चन का ही वर्ड को पास्ट करना है. You don't have to change the question word. She asked me if I had. You have to change this question word only to past. Don't add a new word. Okay, very good. Many of you have given the correct answers. Rishav Raj, she asked me if I had finished the home. Yes, finished my homework. क्योंकि your है ना, the homework भी चलो चलेगा, गलत नहीं है, but to be very exact, precise. Okay. Okay, now we will do questions beginning with do, does, did. Why? Because it is slightly different. Questions that begin with do, does, did, they are little bit different. Like you follow the pattern. Now this is our question. He said to me, do you speak English? Question mark. So here you are not going to use the past tense of the question word. He asked me if I spoke English. Little different. Do, does, did से जो क्वेश्चन शुरू होता है उसमें हम इसका पास्ट यूज नहीं करते हैं. दिस यू हैव टू रिमेम्बर. इफ आई स्पोक इंग्लिश. सो नाउ आई विल गिव यू क्वेश्चन विद डू एंड यू डू इट because it is just little bit different. The man asked him, do you know the way to the hospital? You do it in chat and you send it. The man asked him, do you know the way to the hospital? Same pattern. Do का पास्ट यूज नहीं करना है. नॉर्मली हम वहां विल कैन में यूज करते हैं, डू में यूज नहीं करना. बस जो वर्ब है, वर्ब का पास्ट टेंस, जैसे स्पीक का पास्ट टेंस हुआ, यहाँ नो का पास्ट टेंस यूज करना. एक कौशिक का शायद आंसर सही था. Yes, if I knew the way to the hospital. Yes, correct answer is if I knew the path to the hospital. ये भी कर सकते हैं अपने वर्ड्स में. Rishu asked if he knew. The man asked him if he knew. हाँ Rishu, if he knew. I नहीं होगा, I किसी ने लिखा था क्योंकि उसको पूछ रहा है ना. The man me asked me नहीं है, asked him है. If he knew the way. Anuj, it is not me, it is him. उसको पूछ रहा है, मुझसे नहीं पूछ रहा है. Yes, Nirbhay, your answer is correct. Nirbhay answer is correct. Pragya answer is correct. Aditya Raj answer is correct. Yes, Anushka, you have left the pronoun. If he knew. Anushka, you have left the pronoun. Rishabh Raj, you haven't changed no to knew. पहला सेंटेंस में हमने स्पीक को स्पोक बनाया है. पास्ट टेंस वर्ब का यूज करना है. नो विल चेंज टू न्यू. Just like we change speak to spoke, we'll change no to new. Yes. Now you, the man, many of you have given correct answers. Yes, good. The man asked him if he knew. उससे पूछ रहा है. अगर मी रहता तब if I knew होता. If he knew. So here you have to change the verb in the past. You are not changing this in past, you are changing the verb. If he knew the way to the hospital. Yes. If he knew. Yes, Akriti Sinha answer is correct. Yes, many of you are giving correct answers. It is good. So, my friend said to me, is the novel interesting? बनाओ इसका. We have a lot of time, so we will go slowly. And I want every one of you to participate. I want everyone to participate and do it and send it. My screen is visible to all of you. Hello. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
My friend said to me, is the novel interesting? My friend asked me if the novel was interesting. Correct answer to आया है. Yes. Yes, Shruti answer is correct. If Pragya answer is correct, Harsh Raj was नहीं बनाया हो, इसका was भी करना है. If the novel, Anuj answer is correct, Nirbhay answer is correct. If the novel was interesting, Aditya Raj answer is correct. Aditya Raj correct, Nirbhay correct, Aniket correct, Priyanshu correct. Yes, Priyanshu also correct answer. Neha answer is correct. Akash Kumar. Akriti Sinha answer is correct. Bhavya answer is correct. Answer Bhavya. Ayush Mehra, if the novel is the novel. No, if printing error है सर. If the novel was is लिख दिए हो गलती से. अच्छा, if the novel was interesting. Is नहीं, if. I think it is a printing error. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, अब ठीक कर लिए. Very good. Now you have changed. It must be while typing हो जाता है, कोई बात नहीं. So now you understand how to change questions. Now we will come to WH questions. We have dealt with many examples and you have to keep practicing it. You know, grammar is just like mathematics. Grammar is like mathematics. You have to practice, then only you can master it. आज पढ़ लिया और कॉपी को बंद करके रख दोगे तो वैसे नहीं होगा. बहुत ज्यादा नहीं, 10 मिनट 15 मिनट रोज 10 मिनट बैठ के कुछ 5 ग्रामर बना लिए, 5 वर्ड्स नया सीख लिए. So language you have to put in some time every day. If you think I will just learn the chapter 2 days before the exam and then my language will improve, then that is not going to happen. You just have to devote some time, 15 to 20 minutes, half an hour every day, and you can just see the change, how your language will improve. Okay, so now we will deal with WH questions. WH questions. In WH questions, you don't have to use whether if, you will just change the verb to past tense. Change the verb to past tense and use the same question word. जिस क्वेश्चन से क्वेश्चन शुरू हुआ उसी को यूज करना है, बस वर्ब को. Like we'll take an example. Change the word order of subject and verb. एक दो चीज होता है, ये तो past tense एक बदलेंगे हम और word order बदलते हैं. Change the word order. Word order, I will, when you see the example, you will understand. Of subject and verb. जैसे कि example, he said to me. He said to me, where is the book? See, here you are using the same, बोले थे ना कि उसी क्वेश्चन वर्ड, सेम क्वेश्चन वर्ड यूज करना. तो क्वेश्चन है तो asked यूज करेंगे. He asked me. You have to use the same question word. So you will use where the book was. So you have changed the verb in past tense. Past tense हमने बनाया है, इसको was किया है और ये word order को change कर दिया. ये book पहले आ गया, ये book यहाँ आ गया और is का was, ये हुआ change the word order. So you follow the pattern, see the pattern. He asked me where the book was. You have to use the same question word. Question word is same, verb in the past tense, but you have to change the word order. हाँ, कुछ पूछना है तो पूछ लो. Hello? Anything that is not clear? Okay.
No, ma'am.
तो समझ आ गया ना word. Change it. Do it in and send it in chat. He said to me, where is the library? He asked me. Yes, Bhavya answer is correct. Dhruv Pandey तो पुराना ही लिखे हो. Where the library? Shreyashi.
Ma'am, she asked to me where the library was.
Asked to नहीं.
Ma'am, she asked me where the library was.
Yes.
She asked me
where the library was. So you see how it's very easy. बस वो वर्ड बहुत लोग ने करेक्ट आंसर दिया. अविनाश का भी आंसर करेक्ट है. आदित्य राज, श्रुति सिन्हा, अनुष्का.
मैंने बोल दिया आंसर.
हाँ. Yes, many of you have given the correct answers. She asked me where the library was. So now we have dealt with commands commands, simple statements, questions, commands, advice, request, simple statement, questions. Exclamatory sentence is left out. That we will study tomorrow. So your class ends here.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
One kind
Thank
of
you,
sentence
ma'am.
is left out, exclamatory sentence. That will be tomorrow. Okay, okay, bye all of you. And I want more.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Yes, I want
Thank you,
more
ma'am.
participation. और मुझे ज्यादा
Thank you, ma'am.
participation चाहिए सारे लोगों से. Okay. And note down all these things. Note down all these things in your grammar copy. Grammar copy में सारे ये notes उतार लेना. Because this topic
Yes,
is
ma'am.
going to continue in class 10. In
मैम
class
कुछ
10
क्वेश्चंस भी
also.
भेज दीजिएगा व्हाट्सएप।
हाँ ठीक है भेज देंगे.
मैम कुछ क्वेश्चंस भेज दीजिएगा मैम.
ठीक है.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Today I will send. I will send the questions on the group.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Bye all of you.
Bye, ma'am.
Madam.